Welcome to Coder Station.
Hello again, fellow coders. Today we are going to expand our understanding of functions by diving into a practical example to demonstrate the application of functions in real life. We will create a function that calculates the total cost of a shopping cart. The function will calculate the total cost based on some parameters, like we are also going to add the tax, we are also going to add the shipping cost, and then we are going to calculate the total cost of a shopping cart. And we are also going to take the input from the user. We are also going to validate the input from the user, and then we are going to calculate. So let's dive into it. So here we have created a simple function to calculate the total cost with the parameters item, price and quantity. And here this is the whole calculation part. So here we have two constants, that is tax rate and shipping cost per item. That will be $2. This is going to remain constant. This is not going to change. So we have created a variable let subtotal is equal to item price into quantity. And we have calculated tax, we have calculated the shipping cost. And we have created a variable let total cost is equal to subtotal plus tax plus shipping cost, and this is going to return the total cost. And here we have taken the input from the user, and to take input from the user we use the prompt function, and it displays a dialog box with an optional message prompting the user to input some text. Like here the message will be enter the price of one item, and it is going to store in the item price variable. And we have also applied a pass float, so the item price can be in decimal numbers, so we have applied the pass float. And here pass end, the quantity cannot be in decimal number, so we have also used the prompt function to enter the quantity in the shopping cart. Next here, this is something which you will learn in the advanced JavaScript. So this is to validate the input from the user. If for example, if the user enters some text, so this is going to return the error with a message which will say invalid input, please enter valid numbers. And at last this is the total cost, which we are recalling our function calculate total cost with the parameters item price and quantity, which we are taking from the user. And at last this is going to display the result, the console log, to output a message to the console. The total cost is a string, plus operator is used to concatenate both of them. This will return the total cost to fixed. And if I again run this, if I put the price of one item 10, enter the quantity, I will put 2. So this will calculate all this. So this will do all the calculation and give me the total cost. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep coding.